Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp product recommendations automatically for Typeform leads. Let's suppose I am running a business and I am collecting all my leads with the help of Typeform. I want that whenever I capture a new lead from Typeform, a WhatsApp message giving them the product recommendation should be automatically sent. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of my time, so I've completely automated this process, and to do this automation I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between this Typeform and WhatsApp Cloud API. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever I am going to receive a new lead from Typeform, automatically I am going to send them the WhatsApp message. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. I have created an integration between Typeform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to check this integration once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I will be submitting a form from my Typeform, and if I receive the WhatsApp message, then this means this integration is working fine. I am going to open this form and do a form submission. So I am going to enter my name as new lead, then I am going to enter the phone number. Then I'm going to enter my email address, and then I'm going to submit this. As soon as I submit this, I should receive a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp. I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and instantly I have received the message, hello new lead. You can see I've received a custom message, thank you for sharing your details, and I have been sent the product recommendation. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can send the product recommendation to all our Typeform leads via WhatsApp, and for this I'm simply going to create integration between Typeform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as send WhatsApp product recommendation automatically for Typeform leads, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and I'm going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. Now as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter the trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send the product recommendation via WhatsApp to my Typeform leads, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in my Typeform, automatically I'm going to send them the product recommendation using WhatsApp, which means whenever I'm going to capture a new lead from Typeform, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Typeform, and then in my action application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Typeform. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new entry and then click on connect. Now if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Typeform. Now here I've already logged in my Typeform account, and that's why I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I'm going to click on this accept. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. And here Typeform is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter this form. If I open my Typeform account, this is the form which I have created by the name new contact form, and I will be using this particular form. So I will go back towards my workflow and select my form as new contact form. And then I simply need to click on the save and send test request. So here you will see it has changed to this waiting for webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here in this workflow, I need to do a test submission. And in order to do the test submission, I am going to open the form which I have created in Typeform by the name new contact form. And I'm going to do the dummy form submission. Now as soon as I do this form submission, I should capture the response here in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Typeform that is successful. So I'm going to open this form, copy the link to this form and paste it in a new tab. Here I'm going to enter some dummy details. So I'm going to enter my details like my first name is current, my last name is lead, then my phone number is this, and then my email address is current@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to click on the submit, and here as soon as the form submission has been done, I should capture all the details to my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow. Here you see 2 seconds ago we have captured the response. The name was current lead, phone number was this, email address was current@pabblytudes.com. Now here as soon as I've done the form submission, I have captured that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and Typeform that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message. So I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my action event, I'm going to select it as send template message and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now to get these details, over here I'm provided a hyperlink. I'm going to open this and it will take me towards the forum page of Pabbly. If I scroll down, I'm provided with 2 tutorial videos which I can watch and get these details. So now to get these details, I'm going to open Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, I'm going to click on this My Apps. I have created the application which I'm going to open, and I've landed towards the app dashboard. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, I'm going to click on this WhatsApp and then go towards the API setup. Now I have landed towards this API setup. You can see the access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To generate the new access token, I simply need to click on this button. I am going to reconnect with my Facebook, and then the temporary access token will be provided to me, which I am going to copy and paste it over here. After entering all these details, I am simply going to click on the save, and here WhatsApp Cloud API is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. The first one is that I have to enter the receiver phone number. So I am not going to enter like this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from this Typeform. And when I click on this field, I can see this Typeform. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter my phone number as this. And over here, you can see that I have to enter the phone number in this format, country code and with a plus sign. So I'm going to add that. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you receive the new response. Now over here, I am going to enter the template ID. To get this template ID, I'll go back towards my API setup page, and if I scroll down under this step 2, I have this hyperlink of create your own template. I'm going to open this and it will take me towards this message templates page. Now to create a new template, you simply need to click on this create template. We have to set up the template. First, I'm going to select it as default, then click on this next, and I will land to the page from where I'm going to start creating this template. So you can name this template first, and then you have to select the language. After that, you have to enter the type of variable. We have this number and the name. I'm going to select it as number. If you want to enter the media sample, you can select from this drop down. If you want to enter the header message, you can enter it and it will start appearing something like this. Then this is the body, which is the main part of the message, and then we have the footer. If you want to enter a text or some link, you can do that in this footer and it will start appearing over here. Now I'm going to show you how you can add the custom variable to create custom templates. So over here I have selected type of variable as number, so I have entered the type as number. If I would have selected it as name, I would have entered it as name like this. So I'm going to enter it as number, and then after adding this custom variable, we have to provide the value. You can add as many as custom variables as you want, and whenever you're going to get the new response, this custom variable is going to get changed with the value of that custom variable. So here I have added hello and then the name of this person or the user, and whenever I'm going to capture a new lead, this is going to get changed with the new name. So you can add custom variables for the phone number, email address, or any other detail. Now after adding all these details, you can also add the button. You can simply click on this add button, use this custom to add the quick reply buttons, or you can add the link, call on WhatsApp, phone number, copy offer code. After adding all these details, you simply click on this submit for review, and you can use the template after it has been reviewed to your workflow. Now here I have already created a template which I am going to open it for you. And here this is the template, hello demo. I have used one custom variable which is for the name of the lead, and this is going to get changed whenever I'm going to get a new response, and the rest of the message in which I'm sending them the product recommendation. Thank you for sharing your details with us. Here are some products we think you will love. Elegant sofa set, ergonomic office chair, queen size bed. To place an order or get more recommendation, just reply yes and our team will assist you. So this is the template which I'm going to use. So I'm going to click on this template ID and select the same template. Now I'm going to enter the language code as EN, and as I select this template ID, it will start displaying the template name also, which is this one only, Typeform. The template has header? No. So if the template does not has this header, I'm going to toggle on this header type mapping button and remove the text from there. I need to keep it blank. Then these fields are not required when I just need to send the template message. So I have skipped this. The template has body. Yes, I'm going to enter the value to the custom variable, and I'm not going to enter like this manually. Instead, we are going to map this. So I have received the response from Typeform. I'm going to enter the name as current lead. Now the template has button? No. So if the template does not has this button, I'm going to skip all of these fields again. So here, after entering all these details, we are going to execute this workflow. But before that, I have added a dummy phone number which I have received from Typeform. So for now, I'm going to remove this phone number and enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message when I execute this workflow. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and let's wait for the response. Here I have received the response. This response is a positive one. I'm quickly going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the message there or not. So here I have received this message, hello current lead. You can see the name has been changed. Thank you for sharing your details with us. Here are some product. This is the same exact template which we have created, and we have received the same message. So now to summarize, we took Typeform as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to send them the product recommendation. We took WhatsApp Cloud API as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, created the template, mapped all the required details, executed this workflow, and finally sent the WhatsApp message. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this Typeform and WhatsApp Cloud API with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. I have attached the link to this workflow in description so that you can check this out. I hope you like this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.